Hello everyone, I hope everyone having a good day. So today, as usual, I'm gonna show one of our ethnic food in Sarawak. So come and take a look. So this is the Pucuk Tepus that I've been buying at one of our local market here. It's very easily to find, but a little bit expensive. It costs around 5 ringgit for these 4 pieces. Okay, before we cooking, so let me introduce a little bit about this Pucuk Tepus. So in English, they call it Ginger-Etlingera coccinea. I'm very sorry if I'm not pronouncing it correctly, but this Pucuk Tepus is very famous among our local people here, mostly for our Dayak people, such as orang Iban, Bidayuh, and my own culture, orang Ulu. So today I'm gonna cook Pucuk Tepus with chicken. So stay tuned, guys. So before we start cooking, like usual, I'm gonna introduce our main menu today. So this is tepus. So this is the tepus that we buy at market just now, and we will cook it with onion, 4 to 5 chili, and then with chicken. So our chicken already been cut into these small pieces. First step, so we're gonna peel off this skin first, the skin first. So I'm gonna cut it from here. Like this, slowly. Another side. Okay, come take a look a little bit closer. So we're gonna peel the skin like this. Until you can see the white come out like this. So here is it. Here is the Pucuk Tepus. So this is the result after we peel off the skin just now. So after this, we're gonna wash it and cut it into small. Okay, so we're gonna cut it small like this. Okay, next we cut our garlic. Okay, let's start cooking. So here we have our cooking oil. Then we put our chili and garlic. Next, put our chicken. Okay, next, don't forget to put our Pucuk Tepus. And then we mix it. And let it cook around 5 minutes. And lastly, don't forget to put our salt. Okay, now our pucuk tepus with chicken ready to eat, and let's try. So we try our pucuk tepus first. Very nice. And then take some chicken. It tastes a little bit spicy because I put a lot of chili just now. Very nice. Very nice if you eat with rice. So I hope this video, and I hope you guys like it, and you can try to do it at your own home. Stay tuned guys for my next video. Bye.